What up? Jason here for another thing to help you grow your business. I wanted to show you something today I found out on AdWords. They just released it. I was in it about 11 o'clock, got back in it at 12, and it was something that just popped up. I just wanted to show you what it is. It's kind of a big thing. Every time Google keeps doing this stuff, it's dropping the maps, it's dropping the organic. And what does Google want? Google wants more money. But here, I'll show you what it
So
is.
this is the ad for our ads here. It added the one headline. It added this headline about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and now they just added another headline. They also added where we can add 90 more characters down here. So that's pretty big. Like I said, all this is going to do is just keep dropping it down, dropping the organic down, and the whole 9 yards.
But if I just wanted to show you that, if you need any help on AdWords or need any help with marketing, let me know. It's big. Like I say, every time Google keeps dropping us down, dropping the organic down, adding more lines to AdWords, adding more ads, Google ads. Guess what? Now they got Google Guarantee. If you're in the market for where you can do Google Guarantee, that drops it down some more. Google wants money. Google's about making money. But I hope this helps you out. If you're in a small business and you need more clients, let me know. I'm glad to help you. But I hope you have a great day and hope you all enjoy your weekend. Thanks. Bye.